Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I created my own Canva clone in React to edit images, PDF, GIF files directly inside the editor. So I'm running this Canva clone directly inside localhost 3000. As you can see, it's a complete React.js project. So this is actually all the source code which is there. I've given the link in the description. You can directly purchase it. Now let me show you the actual editor right here. So we also have support for adding multiple pages here. You can duplicate pages. So inside left hand side corner of the screen we have the template section. So right here you can individually select any template here. Simply click on this and the template will load, and then after that you can actually edit the text, replace the images. Simply click on this and you can also apply various effects instantly, and the live preview will be seen to you. You can even change the background color if you don't like it, and then once you are happy with it you click on the download button, and then the export functionality, we can export this to image, PDF, HTML, GIF file. All these files options are available. So if I click on PDF, so it will export this all the pages. You will see this is the first page, this is the second page. And the thing about this editor, it also have all these options. So if I want to remove this page, I can remove it. And we also have the redo option as well. So undo, redo options are also supported here. So if you just want to add your own text, simply go to the text option, simply add your own text as well. So simply adjust the size here. You can change the color of the text, background color, everything you can customize it. So all these color combinations are there which Canva supports here. So you simply click on this and the text will be added directly in the canvas here. And then we also have options regarding this text as well. Position, size, opacity, everything is there. And then we also integrated support with background images using Unsplash API, icon finder. You can also add different kinds of shapes as well. So if you know something about React.js, if you understand the project, you can directly modify it and add additional features as well. So this is the overall structure of the project here. Every section is divided into its appropriate JavaScript file here. And as you can see, we have used the latest version of React.js, which is 18.2.0. So you simply go to the description link and directly purchase it. After purchasing it, you will get the source code from Google Drive. And you also have the support for adding, uh, you can also draw on the canvas as well. Simply select the brush here and then you can draw on the canvas. And we also have support for adding third-party images as well. So you can add your own images as well. Simply place it. We also have support for adding videos as well. So you can third-party videos you can also add. And then we have these backgrounds here, these gradient backgrounds, ready-made backgrounds. You simply click on that and the canvas will change here. So once you are happy with it, you can export this to now a PNG image. So you can see everything has been exported to an image file. So then we also have this option of animate here. You can also animate the text here. So you will see you can animate everything. You can even animate this image as well. So now if you want to export this to a GIF file, you simply click on this and click on download GIF. So now all the animations will be processed and automatically it will be created a GIF file for you. So this is actually everything is there. So it's an ultimate Canva editor which is there for you. So it's directly coded inside React.js. So all the applications sections are divided into its appropriate file here. And you can even deploy this application as well by simply running the command here npm run build. So this will build out your entire project, and you can also deploy it into a domain name as well. So it's very simple. So definitely check out this. It will, the link is given in the description. If you want to purchase it, you can directly purchase it.